Hello, welcome to a SimHERA tutorial on patient setup. Okay, once you've gotten into the patient setup, we're going to go ahead and prep. Click on alcohol, that's an alcohol pad. It takes off the oils on the skin, and we'll prep in two places, one for the forehead and that one for the ground. And then click on the prep pad, a little bit more abrasive. It's going to prep the skin a little bit better, so you get a better impedance. And you can see the skin discoloring there a bit. And then we'll go ahead and select the ground, place it just off from midline, and click again forehead, and then go ahead and click and set the electrode. We'll go ahead and rotate so we can look behind. So we're going to be putting on the right mastoid, prepping that area. Alcohol pad first, get off the oils, and then go to the prep pad, which is just a little bit of a sandpaper-like abrasive pad. Again, you'll see some discoloration there, showing that the area is prepped, and the electrode goes on. And if you note down in the right in the EEG, you can actually see that the red EEG line is a lot quieter than the blue, and that's because the impedance of the left mastoid is still quite high here, whereas the impedance of the right mastoid is 1.69. So there again, prepping the area, and then click on left mastoid, and then place it, and then we'll go ahead and we can actually move it, and if you look down at the EEG in the right, that is showing that it goes from a noisier EEG to a quieter EEG. And there we go, we've prepped the electrodes, but don't forget, we need to put sound into the ears. Put in your insert earphones by clicking the left and right inserts. Thank you for watching.